As the holiday season approaches, retailers are gearing up for what is often their most profitable time of the year. For consumers, however, this means facing a barrage of marketing tactics designed to part us with our hard-earned money. Today, we will explore how to outwit these sneaky holiday sales tactics and save big without compromising on getting the gifts and goods you truly want. To begin, let's consider the art of persuasion. Retailers utilize a variety of psychological strategies to influence buyer behavior. One common tactic is the limited time offer, or the sale ending soon banner, which creates a sense of urgency. This tactic taps into our fear of missing out, or FOMO, prompting us to make quick purchase decisions. To counteract this, always pause and consider, do I really need this item? And is the urgency real? Or can I wait for a potentially better deal? By consciously evaluating these questions, you'll often find the pressure to buy dissipates, helping you make more informed decisions. Another prevalent strategy is the use of loss leaders. These are items priced at a loss to draw customers into a store, with the hope that while you're picking up this bargain, you will also buy full-priced items. To outsmart this tactic, maintain focus and discipline. Make a list of what you genuinely need and stick to it. Avoid browsing aimlessly, as this is when you're most susceptible to impulse buying. Moving forward, let's talk about pricing strategies. Retailers often use odd pricing where products are marked at $19.99 instead of $20. The idea is that it feels significantly cheaper, even though the difference is minimal. Be aware of this psychological trick, and when comparing prices, round up to the nearest whole number. This helps you better assess whether something is truly a good deal. Pre-holiday sales promotions often promise the best deals, but it's crucial to compare prices across different retailers. Use online tools and apps designed to track price changes over time. This way you can verify if a sale is genuine or if the price was inflated just before the discount. A little research can go a long way in ensuring you aren't misled by superficial discounts. Let's not forget loyalty programs and personalized deals. Retailers exploit customer data to offer tailored discounts, aiming to boost repeat purchases. While these can be beneficial, they often encourage spending under the illusion of saving. Approach these offers with caution. Evaluate if you are buying simply to use a discount, or if the purchase was planned regardless of the incentive. Now, let's address bundled sales, where multiple products are sold together at a purported discount. These bundles can offer value, but they can also lead to buying items you don't need. Break down the bundle price and assess each item's worth individually. If you find you wouldn't buy each item separately, reconsider the bundle purchase. Furthermore, be wary of free shipping offers. While enticing, these often have hidden conditions, like minimum spend requirements that can lead to overspending. Always calculate the true cost of meeting such thresholds and decide if it's genuinely worth pursuing, or if paying a nominal shipping fee might be more economical. In contrast, cashback offers can be advantageous, but they come with caveats. These deals typically involve complex redemption processes or extended timelines. Be sure to read the terms carefully and assess whether you realistically expect to follow through to claim the benefits. Now, as we approach our conclusion, remember the essence of successful holiday shopping: preparation and mindfulness. Plan your budget before the festive frenzy begins and create a detailed list of desired purchases. This approach not only prevents unnecessary purchases, but also alleviates post-holiday financial stress. In summary, holiday sales are a treacherous terrain loaded with psychological traps and strategic offers. By recognizing and understanding these tactics, you can navigate the shopping season smartly. Prioritize what matters most to you, avoid impulsive decisions, and ensure your purchases are a reflection of genuine need and desire, not the result of clever marketing ploys. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these insights empower you to shop with confidence and save big this holiday season.